Finance practice exercises number 30. Consider the credit card statement shown below. On March 1st, the balance is $600. And March 6th, you have a purchase of $75, which will make that balance go up. You have another purchase on March 7th, and that will go up further by adding that $32.50. And then you have a payment on March 10th, so that means we'll be subtracting the $310 from that balance, and that gives us a new balance of $397.50. And on March 13th, you made another purchase, which will add to our balance, and it becomes $497.70. Okay, so it says find the average daily balance, and this means that is how our finance charge is calculated. So that means I need to find the number of days at each balance. Okay, so 6 minus 1, that gives us 5. 7 minus 6 gives us 1. 10 minus 7 gives us 3. 13 minus 10 gives us 3 again. And the poem that I always remember, 30 days has September, April, June, and November. March wasn't in that poem, so it has 31 days. So to get the number of days from the balance of March 13th to when you're paying for when that bill is due, you're to take 31 minus 5 minus 1 minus 3 minus 3, and you'll get 19. It's always a good idea to look at these and numbers, add them up, and make sure that you would get 31 in this case, which is what we need. Okay, so our next step is to multiply the balance times the number of days at this balance. I'm going to pause this while you do that on your own, and then we'll compare numbers. Okay, so this is what I get when I multiply the balance times the number of days. So my next step is going to be to add all these quantities together, and again I will pause this so you'll have time to do this as well. Okay, I got $16,446.30. So we need that amount to find the average daily balance. So I'm going to take the quantity that I just mentioned, and this time I'm going to divide that by 31. And I will get $530.53. All right, the next question asks for the finance charge for the month if the monthly interest rate is 1 9/10%. So I will take this average daily balance, not my ending balance, but the average daily balance, and multiply that times 0.019. So I have $530.53 times 0.019. And I get $10.08. And then the last question is find the balance that would appear on the next monthly statement. So remember, we don't use our average daily balance for that. We have to use our ending balance and then add our finance charge. And when I add those together, I get $507.78. So my apologies again. On 30C, you get $50,778 on your note packet, which is clearly not right, a little excessive for this particular credit card activity. So again, we're just missing a decimal point, and I apologize for that.